Hi, today we will learn Indonesian language or Bahasa Indonesia about some of passive verbs that we use for passive sentence, but it's different than the one that we can change it into active sentence. We will learn about that in the next video. When we have active sentence and we have passive sentence, you can exchange the subject and the object to make it from active into passive sentence. We have basic or base or original word, and it comes with prefix me in active sentence. If we want to change it into passive sentence, we change the verb, the prefix from me with di. The suffix will be same, and this works for most of sentence in Bahasa Indonesia. And in the previous video we already learned about intransitive active sentence with these verbs. Now we will learn about some verbs that we use for passive sentence or kalimat pasif. Kalimat is sentence, passive, passive. These verbs, sometimes we can change it into active sentence, but sometimes it just work as with passive sentence, and sometimes we cannot change it into active sentence because it's not possible. So with this one we can change into this if you want to make into active, but these ones sometimes we can change into active, sometimes it just work with passive sentence, and that's all. It just stands for passive sentence. Mostly the verb started with prefix ter, sometimes with prefix ke, and suffix an. And this oleh or by, I put it in bracket because sometimes we can skip, sometimes we cannot skip. In daily conversation, you will hear mostly we skip the oleh or by. But for my suggestion is just use the oleh because that's the formal rule or the order. Just use the oleh or by. These words, telan is swallow. But if we have prefix ter, it means accidentally. It was not intended to being swallowed or to be swallowed. Telan, swallow. Tertelan, accidentally being swallowed, not intended to swallow it. Tarik, pull. Tertarik, being pulled or be pulled or is pulled. So this ter, it means, it gives the meaning of accidentally, was not planned to be, or be something, or being, or being something, or is something. Tertarik was or is pulled accidentally, or can be also not accidentally. It's like was pulled or is pulled, be pulled, been, being. Tangkap catch. If we want to say catch, menangkap. If we want to say is catch, ditangkap. But if we say it with tertangkap, it means it's accidentally or it was not intended to, or it can be also mean like finally being catch, like burglar or criminals. Tertangkap, it means being catch or it was not planned. It's finally caught up or catch. Or like there's mosquito or fly, I do this with my hand and then tertangkap. That's putus, cut or separate. Memutus is cut. Diputus, being cut or is cut. Terputus can be accidentally or was not planned or intended to, but cut. Accidentally or not intended or was not planned, but it's cut. Bawa, bring. Membawa, bring. Dibawa is brought. Terbawa, it can be accidentally or was not intended to or was not planned, just being brought. I will put it here. Let's say terbawa, put with this word. Angin, wind. Let's say you have umbrella and the wind was or is so big with big wind, so your umbrella is taken by the wind. When you want to say it in Indonesia, we say it that my umbrella terbawa angin, was taken by the wind. Terbawa angin. We can skip the oleh, we can use the oleh. But if you skip the oleh here, it's good enough. Terbawa angin. Or in the sea, we have wave. Even though it's more than one, waves, in Indonesian language we just use one, ombak. So we know it can be one, it can be more than one. Wave or waves, ombak. Terbawa ombak, was taken or is taken by the wave or the waves. Terbawa ombak. We can use the oleh or by, we can skip the oleh because with this it's formal if we skip the oleh or by. Now, dengar, listen. Terdengar was not planned, was not intended to, being heard. If you want to say hear, mendengar, is heard or was heard, didengar. But let's say gossip or something, it just passed by, was not planned to or accidentally, was not intended to be heard, is terdengar. Same with this one, lihat, look or see, because in Indonesian language for lihat, for see and look same, lihat. If you want to say lihat, see or look, melihat. Is seen, be seen, was look, is look. Dilihat. But if like you're not plan to, it's like, oh, accidentally, or we're not planning to, but we see or we look. Terlihat. Hapus, erase. Erase, menghapus. Was or is erased, dihapus. If you want to say, oh, accidentally erase something, terhapus. Is erased accidentally, terhapus. Or can be also like, yeah. Buang, throw away. Membuang, throw away. Was or is thrown away, dibuang. But like accidentally or was not intent to throw that, it was accident, it was by mistake, throwing away something, terbuang. Terpesona, terpesona, is or was amazed. Now these words with prefix ke and suffix an. Tahu can be food, it means tofu, but in this case tahu is no. But this word as verb, ketahuan, it means being caught. Being caught, like you were doing something sneaky doing something and someone caught you up. Ketahuan. Hujan, rain. You didn't bring your umbrella and you get showered by the rain. Kehujanan. Panas, hot. It's really a hot day and you just feel like really being warm and it's really hot. You say kepanasan. It's too hot. Kepanasan. It's like, oh, it's so hot. Kepanasan. Yeah. Now we will put into sentences. Kelereng itu is that. Kelereng is marble. We want to say the marble or that marble. We say it with kelereng itu. The marble first and then the that or the. Kelereng itu, the or that marble, the toy. Tertelan, accidentally being swallowed oleh, by, adik. Adik is younger sibling, can be sister, can be brother. We don't know. Sometimes we know from the information that we already knew about that before, or sometimes we know from the sentence before. Sometimes we will know from the sentence after. Sometimes we know from the name. Sometimes we will never know. But one thing we are sure about is younger sibling. In this case, as we see, this accidentally or was not planned to or was not intended to be swallowed. This is passive sentence because we use this is the marble and then by younger sibling, younger sister, younger brother. We cannot change into active sentence because we can see here if we want to change into active, it becomes adik menelan younger sibling swallow that marble, kelereng itu. But this sentence, it means it was planned by my brother or by my younger sister before. It was planned before. It was not accidentally. It was planned before by my younger sibling. But this one is accidentally. So we cannot change into this active sentence. But if we have this as active sentence, let's say swallow, we can change into the passive one from menelan, it becomes ditelan. Yeah. So if we change here, not marble, we say bread, roti. Roti is bread. Let's say he planned to swallow the bread. Adik menelan roti itu. Passive one, roti itu ditelan. I will just write it here. Ditelan, can use, can skip. Oleh, by, adik, younger sibling. But this both sentence, they mean the meaning being swallowed, planned, intended to. This one accidentally. The active sentence of this one, we can use the menelan, but we have to put some words like accidentally in Indonesian language or Indonesian bahasa, like accidentally. So the meaning will be same. Like adik menelan kelereng itu tidak secara tidak sengaja. We have to add the three words, secara tidak sengaja. In the way, secara tidak, not sengaja, intended to. So we cannot just like this. If we want to make from this passive sentence into active, we have to add several words to make the same meaning. Now with these words, kami ketahuan. We being caught can be just done. We were being caught. We were doing something sneaky and then we were being caught. Kami ketahuan. If you want to make it really complete, oleh or by, you can put by whom. Mereka kehujanan. They being showered by the rain. They didn't bring the umbrella. Mereka kepanasan. They feel or was felt being really hot, was showered by the big sun, shine. Really feel really hot because they don't bring let's say cap or something or hat or so they got the hotness, they got the warm, but it's really hot. Mereka kepanasan. Thank you.